Can't really see anything tonight, but this is Storm F. We've already done Eunice on Friday, and I believe that this is the very dangerous one up in Brecon, and trying to keep the animals safe. I was able to travel on Friday. I was able to go to work twice on Friday. Travelling all the way down from Brecon. The motorway was okay. Working in Barry and Lads Major on Friday. Storm conditions weren't that bad, and today storm conditions, I would say, in Brecon are really poor. So we've got one of the roofs rattling here. We had some damage on Friday. Wind turbine came down. We lost a bit of felt off some of the roofs, but nothing major. I think this is the very dangerous one today. This is the one that there should have been a red warning, not for Friday. I'm out in it. I've seen it. I know it. And yeah, I did a bit of parody on Thursday, and people said, "Oh, you know, you can eat your words. There was a real storm on Friday." No, this is the real storm today, Sunday. This is the very dangerous one. I wouldn't travel today. I wouldn't get in the car today at all. This is a dangerous one. So storm conditions. Nothing really to see, but I just wanted to do this recording in the dark, and hopefully we can sort of wait it out, really. Anyway, thank you very much, KARL-JAMES. Like and subscribe. Really bad in Brecon tonight, Sunday.